Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Danny Sebastian, and today what I'm going to share with you is how to clean your Bajaj Dominar front brake disc pads, which is radially mounted. So all you need for cleaning your disc pads is Allen key tool with the size 4 mm. Okay, so just remove the rod which is there in the center, and before loosening the rod you need to pull the pin out of the rod, right? And you need to keep it safe. Don't miss that item, because you might have to go around in search of that if you miss it. So this is how you remove the rod first. Just rotate it. Once the thread is over, you can just pull the rod backwards and pull it, and the whole rod comes like that. And you see one metal piece came out in between the rod. So that metal piece, you have to be careful with that, because that's one of the main parts which holds the disc brakes, right? So in this angle it will be visible to you. Yeah, so my child is having fun in between, and he is sitting next to me, is having good time. He is the one who is putting the rod in that disc pads in between. You will see in the video going forward. So let's start cleaning the disc pads. So this is how you take the disc pads out from the caliper. You need to pull it backwards slowly, and there you go. That's your one disc pad, and this one is the second disc pad. Okay, see how dirty it is. Look at my hands, you'll see how much of dirt is there inside the disc pads. So you need to clean it maybe once in 1000 or 2000 kilometers for better brakings, right? So all you need is an Allen key to remove these pads, right? So let's start the cleaning process. This is how your caliper looks. On your right side you see two pistons, a circle like thing, those are pistons, right? So I'm going to fast forward this video, the cleaning process. As usual, you need to have sandpapers for cleaning this disc pads, and normal my cleaning procedure items, which are like a cup of water, an old toothbrush, and what do you call, a detergent powder, whichever brand. So this is how you clean the disc pads. And on the front disc pads you will see a small space in between the disc pads, as in the center of the disc pads you will see a small gap, a small space. It's actually a space. So once the dirt get in, the quantity of the dirt comes higher, this gap will get filled off, and that's when the braking efficiency go down. So you need to clean it thoroughly. So once you are done with sandpaper cleaning, you can use, see, that's my child, he is also helping me out. So this is how you clean the disc pads with the brush, small amount of soap powder, adding some water, just clean it off. Once cleaning is done, you can take a cotton cloth and just wipe it out. Don't use WD-40 or any kind of oil thing, because it will spoil your brakes, and you might have to replace whole unit, including the disc. You put some oil into your disc calipers, right? So this is the best method to clean your disc pads. So yeah, once it's cleaned up, we can use a cloth and dry it off. Even if some amount of water is there and there's disc pads, it doesn't matter, because all you have to remove is the dirt from it. So this is how you put the disc pads back into the caliper, and that's the item which I was talking in the beginning. You need to place it correctly. See that space in between that metal thing, that's how the rod go in, that's how it holds the disc pads. I'm trying to make this video as visible as I can. I've done it once again, as in the last 4 minutes also. I've tried my maximum. I've placed the camera in such a way that it is more visible to you guys, so don't miss out that portion. If you want, you can skip to last 4 minutes also for better visibility, because the reason why I've done it once again is that after completing the first part, when I saw the video, I didn't see, it was not at all clear to me. So if it's not clear to me, then it's hard for my viewers to understand what exactly I'm trying to explain to you guys. So the last 4 minutes is kind of pretty clear. So once you tighten the rod with the Allen keys, don't forget to put this pin back to the rod, back to the calipers, because that is also a very important item that holds the thread of the rod. So this is the last 4 minutes clear video which I was talking about. So all you need is an Allen key with 4 mm size. So before loosening up the rod, you need to pull that pin out, because that pin actually holds the thread of that rod. So after pulling it, then only that rod will come out completely, right? So this is how you loosen up the rod. Once it's loosened up, you just need to pull it out, so the whole rod will come out, and just watch clearly. Just watch it clearly. That's how the rod comes out. Then that metal part. So this is that steel item which I was talking about. See, there's a space in between that small plate wherein that rod is going inside. So these are not dirty things. It's actually cleaned one. It's water which is visible on that pads. I've cleaned it properly. So this is how you pull the pads out. It's kind of tighten up. I've tested the brake, so it's a little bit tight. So just pull the pads out, and if you have bought new pads, you can just install it right away. Just push the pads inside the calipers, and place that metal part in between the pads. See, that's a space where the rod get in. It's so this is how that metal part is placed inside the caliper. This step is very important because if you miss it, then it will be difficult for the brakes to function properly. So it's not rocket science, it's simple only, but you just have to be careful while placing that thing inside, because that position should be accurate, because the rod has to go through that small U shape. See that U shape, just see it clearly. This is how that rod goes through that metal plate and gets into the other hole of the caliper. That's it. Now just tighten up the Allen key screw with the tool. Once it is fully tight, don't forget to put that pin back into that position. So once the rod is fully tight, just take the pin and push it inside. There you go. That's the last step. So I hope you guys understood my video and enjoyed my video. So those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, comment on my videos, please like my videos, and share my videos to your friends and colleagues if you think that my video can help others, right? Thank you so much for watching my video.